I'm going to show you how to purchase a phone number for your sub account, so let's go ahead and get started. You're going to want to make sure that you are on the sub account level, so make sure that you toggle to the sub account that you are interested in actually purchasing a phone number for. Then on the left hand side, you're going to scroll all the way down to settings and click on settings. Once you click on settings, you'll then see phone numbers as an option, and we'll have you click on phone numbers. Once you're under phone numbers, you'll see a blue button that says plus add phone number, and you're going to go ahead and select that. Then scroll down to add phone number and click there. This is going to enable you to purchase the phone number that you're interested in choosing. You can select the country that you want to purchase your phone number in. You can also refresh the results so that you're shown a different batch of phone numbers if you're not interested in the phone numbers that are currently shown. Notice that you can purchase a local phone number, and you will also see that you can purchase a toll-free number. So you're then going to want to click on the phone number that you're interested in purchasing and scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're going to see proceed to buy. Go ahead and click that button. And you would have purchased your actual phone number. You'll see here that it says number purchase successful. Now easily configure your newly bought numbers below.